What's up guys? Today I'm showing you how to play Viva la Vida by Coldplay. I used to rule the world, see the rise when I gave the word. Now in the morning I sweep the lawn, I see the streets I used to own. I hear Jerusalem bells ringing, Roman cavalry choirs singing. Leave my mirror, my sword and shield, my missionaries in the far field. For some reason I can't explain, but once you call it never in this world. That was when I ruled the world. Cool, so this song is super fun to play. It's got really cool chords, and let's jump right into it. Okay, so first we have a C add 9. Let me give you guys a little bit of a close up here. Okay, so we got C add 9 there. Capo on the first fret, very important. Okay, so you got C add 9. Remember to mute your top string here. That's better. C add 9, D. Remember to not play your thick E string with the D. You can mute it with your thumb if you want to strum it. So D. And we got an G. Mute the 5th string here. So you just play the 3rd finger at the bottom, 3rd finger at the top. And then E minor. And then E minor 9, you add the 3rd finger at the bottom here on the 2nd fret. So C add 9, sorry, D, G, E minor 9. And that's all the chords that they use, alright? Later we're going to look at some different ways to play the chords, and it's going to be this C here, C major 7. You can download the chords in the description. C major 7, D. But this is like a D6 kind of thing. But anyway, and then G, and then E minor, the same way. Whoa. You can also use this G with the 2 fingers at the bottom, and then E minor. Okay, now the strumming pattern is also quite simple. It's just down, 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 up, 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 down, up. So you got a lot of downs and then ups, but keep your hand in this rhythm. So you got like this thing going. If I'm just gonna play a G, it's gonna be like this: down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, 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 up, 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 down. So you got down, 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 Okay, so that's it. I'm just going to do that slowly again. So you're going to switch the chord on the up strum. So you're going to go D, G, G, D, D. So it's from the C, it's going to be C, 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 D, 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 C, G, D, D, E minor, ba, 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 C, 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 D, D. Cool guys, I think that's all there is to this song. For the advanced players, you can also do a little bit of a picking pattern. Just remember to start with the root note of the chord. So for C, you're going to start your picking pattern on the 5th string. And you can really get creative with what you do, but just remember to start on the root note. And then just go down. I used to rule the world. And then D, you start on the 4th string. G, you start on the 6th string, and then E minor also on the 6th string, and then you can really play with what you want to do. You can just go up and down. I used to rule the world, Caesar ran and gave the world. minor 9. Such a nice chord. Okay, so that's it for the E minor. G, D. For the advanced guys, the picking sounds really nice. Oh, the strumming, you can also just do down strums if you want. Okay, so just like. But the best is if you combine just down strums and up strums together to get this kind of thing. Wondering what chord this is a C. Just play 2 frets higher. So you can also use a C with a pinky at the bottom. That's also a nice chord to use. Anyway, that's fun. Okay guys, I think that's that. Go like, subscribe if you want private lessons from me to show you how to do this thing step by step. And if you want to really know if you're doing it right, then just send me a DM on Instagram, or go to our website, or go to PayPal. No, not PayPal. That's one of the ways you pay. Go to our Patreon. Patreon, that's the thing. Okay, cool. Maybe you can be the first Patreon. We don't have any Patreons yet. Ha! Can you believe it? I mean, we're this amazing channel and we don't have a Patreon yet. It's unbelievable, guys. Really, this is a moment in history. I must say. Historic moment indeed. Anyway, peace out. See you guys later.